Hey everyone, welcome to a new day and welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday afternoon and it's a cold one. It looks sunny and nice, but it's cold actually. I have the bird cam set out. So on the bird cam, I don't know how well you can tell, but this is like a foam and it covers the entire camera minus all the areas where you would need to touch a button or open a compartment or something. And this is to hopefully block out the wind noise. So, and here I have the power pack inside there, and I like to keep the camera hooked up to the power pack the entire time. So all right, so let's put some new food in there and see what we get. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new day. It is, what day is it? Monday afternoon. It is Monday afternoon and we had, as you can see, we had omelets for breakfast, and Glenn said he's in the mood for a chocolate pie or a chocolate cake, so I am going to make a chocolate cake just from the box. And then for the frosting, I'm actually going to use some Cool Whip and do a little something to it so it stabilizes it a little bit more. So I'll do a video on that when that time comes. But right now I'm just going to make the cake. I won't video that because it's just a normal box cake. I do have the bird cam out again. I've been getting that out almost every day now. Last year and the previous years, I never got the bird cam out until like May or June. And now it's still March and I'm getting more footage. So yeah, that's what's going on today. All right, I am going to do a slow cooker turkey breast today. We have one turkey breast left and I'm going to put it in the slow cooker. All right, we'll probably just have some mashed potatoes with that. So, all right, so let's get on with this day. And I'm going to get that cake made now. All right, everyone, so there you see I got the chicken breast, or not the chicken breast, turkey breast. That's a turkey breast. So yeah, it's pretty, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was, but I have it in the slow cooker. It's on low and it's been going for about an hour now. So yeah, I might have underestimated the size of that. So that's going anyway. If I have to put it on high in between just to get it cooking more, I'll do that. But for now, I'll keep it on low. All right, so right now I'm going to make the Cool Whip frosting for the cake, and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, everyone, so I'm going to make this whip topping frosting, and just going to need an 8-ounce tub of whip topping. I guess depends how big the cake is that you're going to be doing. Ours is the standard. I'm not sure what size that is, but I'm just going to start off with the 8-ounce. And 1 teaspoon of any flavored gelatin, gelatin. It's the gelatin that you need out of it to stabilize the whipped topping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the whipped topping in this bowl, And then you are going to need a hand mixer for this. You might be able to do it just by hand, but I'm going to go ahead and use the hand mixer. And once I put this whipped topping in the bowl, I'm going to mix it so it fluffs up. Then I'm going to add the gelatin. And then on low speed, I'm going to mix it for 5 minutes. And then once that 5 minutes is done, I'm going to turn it up to medium and mix it for another 5 minutes. And it should thicken up and stabilize by then. Okay, so I'm going to open up this Cool Whip. Alright. You just want to put it in your bowl. And I think what I'll do is when I do the mixing, I'll just mute the video or let you know that I'm mixing it and not put it in the video so it doesn't, you know, make any sense to watch me mixing for 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes. Alright, so I got it in here, and before I put my Jello powder in there, I'm going to go and hand mix this for until it fluffs up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and throw, and I think I said hand mix it. I'm using the hand mixer. So, alright, I'm going to throw my gelatin in, and I'm going to, on low, mix it for 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes that I was mixing it on low. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit here. So I'm going to go ahead now on a medium speed, do it for 5 more minutes. Okay, everyone, it's been a total of 10 minutes now. My arm is tired, so I'm glad it's done. But yeah, that's supposed to stabilize the whip topping, or the Cool Whip, or whatever whip topping. You could actually taste a little bit of that strawberry in there. So, and I am not going to frost the entire cake at once. Because it's Cool Whip, it would have to be refrigerated, and I just don't have room in the refrigerator for a big cake. So what I'm going to do is just put it back in the whipped topping little bowl there, and frost each piece as we eat it. So, and apparently this can stay in the fridge for like a week. So, but I don't think it'll last a week. So, all right. So that is the whipped topping frosting for the chocolate cake. All right, everyone, so I've had this in the refrigerator for not even too long, actually, probably a half hour or so. And yes, you can see that it's much thicker than the Cool Whip would be as normal. So yeah, so we're gonna have some cake in the middle of the day now. All right, everyone. So here is our supper for this Monday night, turkey dinner. It's kind of like a mini Thanksgiving dinner. Got the turkey breast with, I made the gravy from the juice that was produced in the slow cooker. It wasn't that much, but it was enough for a little bit. So mashed potatoes, corn, and Glenn's having some cranberry sauce. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And with that, remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.